If you need to share a Figma design with a client, this quick tutorial will walk you through the simplest way to do it clearly and professionally. Sharing the right way helps your client review the design, leave feedback, and access the file without confusion. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy design tutorials just like this one. First, open the Figma file you want to share, or switch into presentation view if you want to show the design in a cleaner preview format. Once your file is open, look to the top right corner and click the Share button. This is where Figma gives you all the sharing controls you need. Now, you'll need to choose the access type. If you want the client to be able to open the file easily, you can set it so anyone with the link can access it. If you want more control, choose only invited people so just the client you approve can view it. After that, you have two simple options. You can type in your client's email address and click Invite, which sends them direct access through email. Or, if you prefer a faster method, click Copy Link and send that link to your client through email, chat, or whatever platform you use. Before you send it, double-check the permission level so your client gets the right level of access. If they only need to view the design, make sure it is set to view only. If they need to comment or collaborate, adjust the permissions accordingly. This small step can save a lot of back and forth later. Once the link is copied or the invite is sent, your Figma design is officially shared. Your client can now open the file, review the work, and give you feedback based on the access you allowed. So that's the easiest way to share a Figma design with a client. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.